Hi there, Carl Massy here, author of the Guidebook to Authentic Success, and something we'll be talking about a lot in the Life Masterclass in Melbourne coming up shortly. But before we do, just a little bit, one of the things for me is working with lots of different clients over the last 10 plus years as a coach. And I'm always looking at, and I call myself a strategist, I'm always looking at what's got the biggest return on investment. And the thing that I've consistently found that makes a difference for people is having a powerful set of daily rituals, in particular morning rituals. And for me, when I do my morning rituals and I teach clients morning rituals, it's like creating a foundation. And it's necessary to have a solid foundation if we want to create some big things. If I have a morning routine, I'm building that solid foundation that I can build upon. And one of the things with that solid foundation as well is it gives me something to anchor to. It's almost like a daily reboot. So when I do my morning routine, it doesn't matter what yesterday was like, it doesn't matter so much about what tomorrow's going to be like. It anchors me in this present moment and brings me back into how do I need to show up today? What do I need to focus on today? Who do I need to be today? What are my priorities for the day? I'm getting really clear of these things. There's two morning ritual activities that happen in my life 365 days of the year. They are movement and meditation. So I need to move my body, no surprises there, but meditating. So one of the things in the Life Masterclass is there's going to be a number of deep dive guided meditations, getting you in this process. And I'm going to do my best over the course of the 2.5 days to convince you to integrate some meditation into your daily rituals. And I'm going to show you how much of an impact it's going to make at a emotional, mental, physical, spiritual level. It's a game changer, there's no doubts about it. And most high performers these days are big fans of it as well. Surprise, surprise. So that and more tips are going to be there at the Life Masterclass, 28th to the 30th of June in Melbourne. Love to see you there. If you want any more details, the details are somewhere on this screen. So have a fantastic day. Hope I see you in Melbourne. All the very best and take care.